Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2005 Nissan X-Trail Ti, stock reference number 4917. This shape runs from the 11th month 2003 through to the 9th month 2007. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand corner lamp, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left-hand corner light, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, bonnet appears to have no damage, left-hand power door mirror, left door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tail light, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has 6 small dents, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with light and dark grey interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, instrument cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, and second row headrests. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.